How to find hidden chat on WeChat. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how to find the hidden chat on WeChat. So if you're also wondering on how to do that, you can follow up this method and you should be able to find your hidden chat as well. For that, open up your WeChat and head over to the chats where you will be finding the hidden chat. So from this section, if you have hidden any chat, what you can do is go to the search bar at the top right corner of this WeChat chat section, chat piece. You can find this search bar right here. You can just go ahead and tap on it and head over and search for the person that you have hidden. You can search for the hidden chat person's name, and after that go ahead and tap on that person's name and send him or her a text. I can just go ahead and do that and tap on send. Once that is done, that particular chat will be automatically restored in the chat section of your WeChat home screen. And that is only how you can find out your hidden chat on WeChat easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. And thank you for watching this video. And I will see you in the next one.